It was December 2006. The stadium was silent, the scoreboard paused at 40, and somewhere in Delhi, a young boy's world shattered at 2:30 a.m. His father gone, but a few hours later, that same boy picked up his bat and walked back to the crease, not just to play, but to prove a promise he made in silence. Welcome to the 22 Yards Talks. Today's story isn't about a century, a trophy, or a record. It's about grief, grit, and greatness. It's about Virat Kohli. And the day Indian cricket witnessed a warrior in whites. Delhi versus Karnataka, a Ranji Trophy match most would forget. But not this one. Because that 18-year-old overnight batter Virat Kohli heard the worst news imaginable. His father had suffered a cardiac arrest, gone just like that. He saw it happen. He held back his tears, and by dawn he was back on the pitch. He batted for hours, scored 90 runs, he saved Delhi from follow on, but it wasn't just a knock, it was an emotion. A tribute. He left straight after the innings to perform his father's last rites, and before leaving he told his brother, "I'll play for India, I promise." There was a quiet strength in his eyes, said Robin Uthappa, who was on the field that day. Something very beautiful, something deeply moving. That moment, that one match, became a foundation for everything that followed. The aggression, the intensity, the stare downs, the Virat era. But now, in 2025, that era seems to be quietly folding. Virat Kohli has announced his retirement from Test cricket. Yes, you heard that right. But the question on every fan's lips, was it really his decision? There are whispers that just like the T20 format, the BCCI may have asked Kohli to make way. No official word, just silence, but behind that silence, millions of broken hearts. Because while numbers fade, class never does. And Kohli, he was class, turned into fire. June 19th, India takes on England in a test series, and as we look at that middle order, there'll be a gap no one can fill. No intensity, no defiance, no Kohli. Maybe it's the end of a chapter, but to us, he's never out of the game. Because every time India walks on the field, every time a youngster dreams of playing with heart, Kohli walks with them. Not just a player, a legacy, a promise kept on the hardest of his life. This was the 22 Yards Talks. If the story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because cricket isn't just about runs. It's about the spirit behind every shot.